Gents, let's get into your stock picks. Rowan, where are you seeing opportunity at the moment?
Yeah, so we like Bidvest here. The share has underperformed quite significantly. It is considered to be a play on the South African economy, but they do have a reasonable amount of business service operations in other jurisdictions in the UK. They are not significantly impacted by the trade war. I think there was maybe concern around their freight business, but most of the products that they'll be exporting are exempt from tariffs. The maize crop looks like it's going to be good, so there could be further exports there. And we're still reasonably bullish on the medium-term prospects for the South African economy, which they have strong exposure to. They've said sort of if there's goods inflation, it is broadly positive for their business in terms of underpinning sort of sales growth. So, and the valuation looks reasonable. So it's sort of a play on SA Inc. with a little bit of offshore exposure and at a reasonable valuation here.
And Gia, what are you hanging your hat on today?
Yeah, the Chinese economies, the Xtrackers CSI300 swap, the London line, and that's particularly because of the fact that since the recent sell-off, there's been quite a lot of value that I've seen on the Chinese market, and I think taking the top 300 in Shenzhen and Shanghai Stock Exchange, if you don't know exactly what's happening in the economy and you're just genuinely taking a play on the fact that there's been a recent sell-off in that market, this is a good entry, and I think right now it's where the next pockets of growth will be coming from.
All right, gents, thanks so much for your time this afternoon. That was Kearabilwe Nonyana from Scope Prime Africa and Rowan Williams from Nitrogen Fund Managers. Do remember that Stockwatch pre-records on a Monday and Wednesday at 1 p.m. and is live at 6:30 p.m. on Tuesday and Thursday, while Stockwatch this week is live at 12:30 p.m. on Fridays. Keep that in mind and keep your questions coming. For now, that's all from Stockwatch this week, but do stay tuned for lots more coming up right on Business Day TV.